Mixtures and solution practice set question number 4. The question here is, there are two containers. Yeah, okay. Do you see the question on the screen? Yes, please pause this video, look at the question. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this and try solving it by yourself. And you need to tell me which one of the option are you getting, along with what do you think about the level of difficulty for this question. Yeah. So let's get started. The first container is 500 ml of alcohol and the second one is 500 ml of water. Alright. 3 cups of alcohol from the first container is taken out and mixed with the second container. Then 3 cups of the mixture taken out from the second container and mixed with the first one. Alright. Let A denote the portion of water in the first container. That's quite amazing, because when you are looking at the second sentence, you take some 3 cups, the same amount which you put in the second container, you take the same amount from here, and that's liquid, so it will be mixed. It's homogeneous solution, alcohol and water homogeneous solution, so it will be mixed well. And then you put it in the first container. In first container also you will have some amount of water. And B denotes the portion of alcohol in the second container. Yeah, after this operation. Then A and B we need to compare. Let's see this. Okay. तुक्का मत मारना. Okay. ये मत सोचना कि 3 cups यहाँ से वहाँ डाला, 3 cups वहाँ से यहाँ डाला, so we are done. No. तुक्का मत मारना. You need to have a strong evidence that A is greater or A is smaller or A is equal. Yeah. With my smile, I'm sure you must have got the answer by now, without even solving or knowing how to solve. Okay. So now here the first one, the first container which has alcohol in that, and the second container which has the water in that. Yeah. So 3 cups taken from there and put it here. Okay, no problem. Now I don't know the capacity of the cup and I don't want to use a number. You know why? I don't want to use a number, although with number things will be pretty easy, but we have cannot be determined here. Now if I use a number, it is quite possible that for that particular number it is working and for any other number it may not work. I'm not very sure about it. So because of cannot be determined is there as the option, I will not use number. Had cannot be determined would have not been there, I would have taken number instead of variable. Did you understand the thought process? Yeah. Okay, so let's say the capacity of a cup is X. Now the first operation. Yes. When you take step 1, what is step 1? You take 3x from the first container and put it into the second one. So what's happening there with the first container now? With the first container, both of them had capacity of 500 ml. Okay, so the first container has now 500 minus 3x. Do you agree with me? Yeah, because we have taken 3x from here. Now here we got 500 plus 3x, where 3x is alcohol. Yeah, because it is coming from the first container. Are you okay with this? Yes. And it is homogeneous. Okay, so when you take out 3, okay, let me draw this and explain you. Now step 2, as per the question. Now you are taking 3 cups from the second container. Again, because I have to explain you guys, that's why I'm making all these drawings and taking a lot of pauses. Otherwise, we can solve this faster. So 3x, if I put it here. Now this 3x will not simply be, think about it, 3x will not simply be 500 plus 3x, which was there after the first operation, minus 3x. No. It cannot be this way, because now this 3x is of the solution. And if you remove only 3x, that means basically you are removing only alcohol. That's not possible. Did you understand? So now when you put 3x you take 3x from the second container and put it in the first one. This 3x has alcohol as well as water. Yeah, this was water and this was alcohol. Yeah, and this is pure alcohol as of now. First step. So this case, now think about it. Let me write the expression. I'm sorry. ये कट करना थोड़ा सा, noise कट करना विराज. So this 3x, when you put into the first container, is nothing but 500 minus 3x, which was the amount of alcohol already was there. Now you are adding 3x here, so I will not directly add 3x. I will say, okay, so in the first container now, how much is alcohol and how much is water? Now in question, they are focusing more on the A, which is the portion of water in the first container. So might as well only focus on the water containing in the first container now. Are you following me? Yeah. So earlier, was there any amount of water after the first step in the first container? No, it was only alcohol, right? So whatever portion is coming with this 3x as a part of water, that is the amount of water which you will have in the first container now. Please rewind this part of the sentence and listen to it again if it is confusing. Yeah, go slow. So in this 3x, what we have, what is the amount of water? So water here is 500 out of the total. The ratio, if you take the ratio of water is 500 by 500 plus x. Are you clear with this? If not, then guys, you have not gone through the concept builder lectures of ratio, proportion and mixture alligation. You should do that. Okay. So in 3x, the water portion is 500 upon total portion 500 upon A. Yeah, the total here alcohol. Yeah? 500 upon the total water plus alcohol. That's the portion. That's how you take the portion. Okay, and this is equal to A as per the question. This is equal to A. Question said that this A denote what? The amount of water in the first container. Okay, we are good as of now. Let's find the term B. Term B, as per the question, is the alcohol left after the second step in the second container. So the alcohol left, which we have to denote as B. B is the proportion of alcohol left in the second container. So B will be equal to, think about it. The alcohol was, if you look at the alcohol, the only alcohol was 3x. Out of which how much alcohol is taken out in this 3x, the 3 cups which is taken out. So in 3x, the alcohol portion was supposed to be 3x upon 500 plus 3x. If you understood this part, the water portion is 500 upon 500 plus 3x. I have applied the same thing here. The alcohol portion supposed to be 3x upon 500 plus 3x. Yeah. So I hope this part is clear. Now question is compare. Compare this A and B. So A is this and B is this. Compare. I need to compare. 3x. Tell me one thing. Can x in this case be negative? Tell me yes or no. Can x in this case be negative? No, it cannot be, because x is the capacity of each cup. So it cannot be. Capacity of cup, capacity of anything cannot be negative, right? Yeah. So it is positive. So I don't have to think. I can take 3x common from both sides. So this is where the sign of comparison will come. Okay. So I can take 3x common from both sides and cancel. So here I have only 500 by 500 plus 3x, and this I am comparing. Okay. And here when I take out 3x, so here you got okay, 9x square, 3x into 3x, so 9x square. So it's remain, what is remaining here? 3x by 500 plus 3x. Now let me simplify this part. If you simplify this further, what you get? 500 plus 3x. Again, I am writing all steps so that all my beginner students, I can take you also along with me. Okay. Advanced students, I'm sure you must be getting bored me writing all these steps, right? But never mind. Yeah. So 3x is cancelled. So you got 500 upon 500 by 3x. 500 plus 3x. 500 upon 500 plus 3x. 500 upon 500 plus 3x. So basically both of them are what? Equal. The A and B which we are trying to compare here, they are equal. That's how we got it here, right? So answer is option number C. That's the answer. Yeah. काफी लोगों ने तो तुक्का मार के आंसर ले आया होगा, राइट? या गेस मार के. I told you the way I am smiling, I'm sure you must have got the answer. तो इक्वल है, बट अभी उसको कैसे तुक्का मारा अभी आप सोचो कि वो तुक्का इज लॉजिकली करेक्ट और नॉट, और यू कैन राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स ऑल्सो, वी कैन डिस्कस दैट. ओके, सो द ओनली थिंग इज आई डिड नॉट अज्यूम द नंबर हियर, यू अंडरस्टूड द रीजन बिहाइंड इट. Level of difficulty. What is the level of difficulty will you give it? 1, 2 or 3? Easy, moderate or difficult? Easy, moderate or hard? Easy, moderate or hard? So I will give it moderate. Level of difficulty will say moderate. It's not hard. It's not hard. We are not making a lot of difficult calculation. It's not easy though. Obviously, it's not easy though. Yes. Okay. So guys, see, okay, one thing which I want to, one message which I want to convey through this lecture is, here we are improving our accuracy by going into detailing of the question. But only accuracy will not, you can't win the game by only maintaining higher accuracy. Like you attempt only 5 questions in the exam and you say, okay, I have 100% accuracy. You are not going to win the game. You also have to think about the time management. So time management you will learn when you attempt actual mock test. Okay, so we will have some mock test and reviews also, but first let's understand the concept builder and the question, so that once you start having a good accuracy, then maintaining time speed will be little easy. Other way around is not possible. So that's why I'm going slow and going into details of each and every question. Are we okay? Are you good with that? Yes. So this is it for this particular question. Option number C is the answer and level of difficulty 2. Let's solve the next question.